everyone, welcome to Coding Decoded. My name is Sanchit Dudeja. I'm working as Technical Architect SD4 at Adobe, and here I present day 13th of July Leetcode Challenge. The problem that we have in today's binary tree level order traversal. Here in this question, you're given a binary tree and you need to perform the level order traversal across that entire tree. It's a medium level question on Leetcode. However, I don't feel the same, so does a subscriber of Coding Decoded. The naive approach that comes to everybody's mind, since the question itself says to go for the level order traversal, we will go for the queue-based approach, the typical BFS way of traversing over any graph or tree. However, we have already solved this question by two approaches in the past. The BFS one is quite a regular one. The DFS one is extremely interesting. I have talked about both these approaches in this video and have coded live for you guys. So I'm attaching its link in the description below, so do check this out. And in case you're interested in revising more questions of tree series, then what you need to do, you need to go to Coding Decoded SDE preparation sheet, open the playlist for trees, and here you will see plenty of interesting questions that are highly probable to be asked in interviews. Those are marked with double asterisk sign. So I'm attaching these sheets links as well in the description below. Do check them out. And once you will go through them, you'll feel pretty confident for cracking any question of trees asked in an interview. And in case you get stuck somewhere, video link is already stated in the description. With this, let's wrap up today's session. Over to you guys. The hard work is all yours. I can only be the catalyst, and I wish you all the best in this journey. Thank you.